Now we're ready to add our baked swirl. And the best thing to remember when you're doing your baked swirl, it's a little easier with a hot blade. So I'm gonna actually heat up the blade one more time. And then I'm gonna press gently against the side of the cake. Again, if you want a deep swirl, you can press deeper, but I just like a really light swirl to go all the way around the edge of the cake and try to press as evenly as possible. I'm going to go one more time around the edge of the cake just to make it a little deeper. All right, we're going to heat the blade back up. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to try to place it, get down here if you want, and eyeball it just above the last indent. And one more time. For the final indent, you're gonna go right. And don't worry if it's not absolutely perfect. Actually, some people prefer the imperfections. The final is the most fun. Doing the top. And it's exactly like you think it would be. You're going to start on one edge of the cake, swirl all the way around. And you're done. So after the swirl's been added, again, feel free if you want to keep practicing the swirl, all you would do is add some more frosting. Do the same thing that I just did. But I think this is pretty good. What we're gonna do next is transfer this to a plate. I'm gonna pipe a border, just like we did with our Diner Double Dark Cake, and then I'm gonna add some fleur de sel right before serving.